So I love making cookies. I know a lot of people that love making cookies, but I think we're all guilty of eating the cookie dough as we make the cookies, which is part of the fun, right? No doubt about it. But have you ever thought about making edible cookie dough bites with no baking involved in the process and just delicious cookie dough? Well, girl, I got you covered. So these are vegan and gluten-free cookie dough bites. They're no bake recipes, so no baking. Don't even have to turn on your oven. The flour is heat treated, so it's perfectly safe to eat. There's literally nothing in here that could hurt you, and they're so delicious. They're super soft, all the chocolate chips inside, and just such a delicious treat, I swear.